Hello friends. Today I'm doing two things. I'm doing a DIY cooling peppermint gel. So along with that I'll be doing a product review. The Shiatsu foot massager by snailax. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of LuckyDogCreations. So what do we need for our cooling peppermint gel? Now this recipe is for a 2-ounce jar. I don't have a 2-ounce jar, so all I have is a 4-ounce jar, so I will be doubling the recipe. So the recipe calls for 1/4 cup aloe vera. I will be using 1/2. The recipe calls for 12 drops of peppermint oil. I'll be using 24 drops. Now why would you want to use peppermint oil in a gel for sore and tired feet? Well, it offers cooling and numbing sensations when used in low concentration on the skin, and it helps with itching and odor. Now, peppermint has a chemical component called menthol. You could use menthol in this recipe. It will have a stronger menthol smell, which is fine if that's what you like. Peppermint has a nice, fresh smell to it, so it's totally up to you which one you want to use. So let's get started, shall we? So take your 4-ounce jar and your 1/2 cup of aloe vera and put your aloe vera in the jar. This is very quick and easy, and it'll make your feet feel really good. I was having trouble with plantar fasciitis, and this is not any way a cure for that. This will just help for the sore, tired, achy feet. Okay, I'm going to put 24 drops in. That's 12. And then carefully stir it up. Now, peppermint is considered a stimulant. You can use this whenever you want to help your feet feel refreshed and not as sore, but you may not want to use it right before bed. A lot of people will put it on and then put socks on and go to bed. If that keeps you up at night, you can switch to like lavender or something like that. It just may not work as well, or just use it 1 to 2 hours before you go to bed. So I'm not going to subject you to me putting it on my feet, but I will put it on my hand to see what it feels like. Just put a little bit. That actually feels really, really good, nice and smooth. Now, aloe vera is a moisturizer and it aids in healing, and it has a really nice peppermint smell. So there you have it. On to the product review. Okay, so now for the product review. As you know, I did tell you earlier that I had a bout with plantar fasciitis, and it was so painful. I couldn't even walk. I practically cried every time I had to take Buddy for a walk. It hurt so bad. The only thing that is really good for plantar fasciitis is massage, ice, stretches, pain medicine for, the pain, or even the cooling gel I just made will help ease the symptoms, but it won't correct the problem. Exercise and massage is about the only thing that will do that. So because I was having problems with my feet, my son and his girlfriend bought me this foot massager for my birthday. So let's give it a try. This particular foot massager you can get on Amazon, and I will put the link down below. Let's check it out. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's got an opening to put your feet in. It's got the little Shiatsu, or however you pronounce it, little balls in there for the rubbing of massaging of your feet. It comes with a remote control, a plug-in, and a little user guide. So it says it has a removable top cover, and then of course it has the little plug-in, and it plugs into the little home adapter. The remote has an on-off switch. It has a rotation, counterclockwise and clockwise buttons, reverse and forward for the little massaging balls. And it also has a heat button, which will be good, you know, to make your feet feel a lot better. And it says it produces a warming heat. It's not intended to be used as a therapeutic heating pad. And I'll give a little bit of the warnings here. It says if you have skin disorders, open wounds or swollen, inflamed skin, do not use. Do not use if you are pregnant. If you have a pacemaker, make sure that you check with your doctor first. So after you connect it to the home adapter, you plug this into an outlet. You turn it on by using the remote control. And it says when you're done with your massage to unplug the adapter from the outlet. The device will automatically switch off after 15-minute timer runs out. That's a safety device. And do not use in the bathroom or where there could be water on the floor for electrical shock reasons. So I'll move this over to the living room and we'll test it out and see if it is actually up to standards with the Shiatsu products. I'm really excited about this because your feet are an important part of your body. You're always on them. If you just have tired feet from working all day, standing on your feet all day, at your end of the night when you come home and relax, you can put your feet in this and make it feel better. So let's get started. All right, so here it is. Here is my remote control. Hope you can see that. I turned it on. It's got a little red dot saying that it is on. And I'll stick my feet in there. I can feel the little circles, and the dog just slobbered all over it. So first I'm going to try the one direction. Oh wow, that feels really, really good. It's not too hard, as intense of a feeling of massage as the back massage would be. Let's try the other direction. You can't see it, and it did go the other direction. And this is really nice because you can massage one way and then you can massage the other way. So you can get both directions and get all of your muscles massaged. And we'll try the heat. That feels nice. It does heat up pretty quickly. It's not really hot. It's just a nice warming sensation for your feet. All right, so I'm going to just shut it off and give my opinion on this. So my opinion on this, for sore, tired, achy feet, I think it's really, really good. It doesn't have strong massaging balls, so it won't hurt your feet. I think anybody can use it. I wouldn't recommend it for little kids because of the size of the rotating massaging balls, but for a kid, teenager, for their first day at like waitressing and their feet are just tired and sore, this would make them feel a lot better. For having sore problem feet, flat feet, whatever the problems would be, this will make your feet feel better. It won't cure plantar fasciitis, but it'll make them feel a lot better. That'll make it easier to do the exercises that you need. The heat will help it. So with the massage, it will help relax your muscles, so your muscles will be more prone to respond to the exercise. Do I recommend this? Absolutely. This is good for tired feet, sore feet, just for everyday use of your feet. We're on our feet constantly. Our feet are one of the biggest parts of our body and the most overlooked in care. So if you're interested in this, it's sold in Amazon, and I will leave the link down below so you can go check out the reviews and see if it's something that you may want. But I highly recommend this. I do think my son and his girlfriend is one of the best gifts I have ever received. If you like this video, are you comfortable? If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.